All right, painted villain here. Man, we got a big one today. This is a giant box. I know you can't tell. I'm even showing off some of my terrible setup. It's a mess right now, but first things first. I want to say happy holidays. Sorry for the delay on this video. This came maybe midweek last week. I really wanted to record a video quick and try to get this out, but it's just the holidays and everything has been hectic work. But here we are. So let's get into it. We've got the Marvel vs. Capcom Kith collab, and we got this double box that's arcade inspired. I mean, like, the artwork on here is crazy. But the Ironman one is the ASICS Gel-Nimbus 10.1. Megaman double box. So the Megaman one is, let's see real quick. That's also Gel-Nimbus 10.1. So let's check it out though. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, these are my stats over here on the left. It's okay. I'm a rookie. But let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy right here. Dude, so this is the first one. This is the Ironman, I believe. And it has the comic book insert in here. I'll actually go through that one last. Just so we could see if we hit on a graded comic book. Alright, let's get that sleeve off. Alright. I'm gonna move this giant one to the side for now. But, man, look at this box. So cool. Let's go back. Let's zoom back in here. Let's get back to our regular programming. Man, this is awesome. Super classic. Hits you right in the nostalgia feels. And here we go. I mean, the attention to detail is just insane. Open here to start. Open here to start. Got the character selection. And it's got like texture to it too. Super high quality. I mean, geez. Let's do some card rips on this. Here we go. First one. Let me just crack these open. Oh my gosh. Even the wrapping is just super nice. Now this is my favorite shoe of the two. This one is just insane. Let me close this up. Let's get the other one out. So again, this is the Megaman one. Took about 2 weeks to ship to me. Oh my gosh, I just noticed right now. Player 1 health stats, player 2 health stats. Pretty cool. Well, I love how it gives me a background to record this video. But we got, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Some extra laces. Some red ones. I like these ones. It's got a little texture to it. Again, guys, this is my first shoe review. But man, these are real nice. So we got gradient mesh upper. See how it fades. Got some synthetic overlays. Man, this is just a beautiful shoe. What do we got here? Got the Kith branding, Gel-Nimbus. Let's take this out. You can see the inside right there. Got Megaman chilling. Got a nice little patch in there too. High quality. Let's see what this one's got. Padded collar, mesh lining, rubberized toe cap with some metallic overlays. reinforced eyelets. It's just premium quality shoe. ASICS and Kith. What we got here? Was that a little tease of Ironman? You could barely see him. But man, just look at this. I can't wait to not wear these because, you know, I just collect shoes and end up not ever wearing them. Gosh, look at that. I've never had a ASICS Gel-Nimbus 10.1s. But if this is a new detail, that's pretty cool. Probably should have looked that up before. But beautiful shoe. This one's my favorite of the two. Got a Kith logo in the back here. 10.1. All right, well, let's get going. Let's get to the next one. It's so big. I don't want to mess this up, dude. Where am I gonna put this? That's the other thing. All right, this one's a little bit of a bigger box because we do have the comic in here, but we'll save that for last. Again, same type of box. Super cool. Maybe at the end of this video, I'll do some detailed shots. Do a little 5X action. Maybe 2X. Not bad. Just well, let's take a look at this paper here. This paper is like, it's like someone drew it. Dr. Doom. Not gonna lie, I was not huge on the Marvel vs. Capcom growing up. I jumped like straight into Tekken. That was what I was all about. But I do know the game. I did play the game too when I was a kid. But it just wasn't one of my main games I played. I did love Megaman. These ones are nice too. Jeez. Now this one's just more one solid, you know, you got one solid color on this, but got the EVA foam midsole, Truisic rubber system. Here we go, some laces. Cool. Ooh, this one right here though. Cool. Let's take these out. Tiger stripes on the side panel. They label that as a feature here. Are these the tiger stripes maybe? Alright, here we go. These are the Ironmans. You can see him right there, chilling. Oh my gosh. This is just such high quality. Like, that's probably the only reason why I'm scared to wear these. It's just such a nice shoe. Like, why would I want to ruin these? Maybe one day I'll display them and... Or maybe I'll just say yellow. Wow. It's got like a little gloss and shine to it. Maybe a little bit glitter action. Or that's just the lighting. What we got in here? I think this is just the continuation of the Ironman pose. So if you combine them together like that. Marvel vs. Capcom, ASICS Kith. Beautiful shoe. Thanks for checking out the video. Let me get you some detailed shots coming up. But actually, you know what? Right now, let's do it, dude. Let's break the seal. Let's break the seal, dude. Let me get the knife. Pause. This isn't good for video, I know. But I'm about to break this seal and let's see what comic book we get, dude. Some premium little knife. Here we go. This is the seal right here, the silver part. The seal, I believe, is officially broken now. It's actually kind of hard. Hold on. Let me move these shoes to the side here. Just to prepare this video, I probably should have broke the seal way earlier. People are probably like, dang, he's a terrible YouTuber. Can't even open the box. Well, sorry guys. They like taped it, but they taped it where you need to pull it open. I'm not trying to break this box either. Whoa, that was kind of cool. There we go. Jeez. Man. Way to make me look like a fool. My first sneaker review. Let's get the cool product shot here. Let's do 1 and 1. Boom. 1 and 1. Alright, here we go. Did we get a graded comic book? Do I even know how to open it? Oh my gosh, is it even in there? Oh, it's deep in there. Here we go. Drum roll, please. It's not graded, it's just a base, bro. But that is a cool looking comic book cover. But just like we always say, it's all about that base. It's all about that base, dude. Lame. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Yep, nothing else. Well, there you have it. Marvel vs. Capcom Kith collab. $500 pair of shoes right there. 2 pairs. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and check out everything else I got. We got cards, lots of cards right now. Cards are popping. Sneakers are low-key dying, but here I am with 2 new shoes. Beautiful. Thanks. Peace. Alright guys. We got a late addition to the video here. So, let me change the camera here. Let's go a little bit wider. The ASICS Gel-Nimbus 10.1 Megaman silhouette. So this one has a gradient mesh upper. So something that I'm noticing here. Mesh upper. It's nice and tight, like right here on the toe box. Then these Ironman ones. Let's switch up here. ASICS Gel-Nimbus 10.1 Ironman. These ones are a gradient ripstop upper. So it's a completely different upper. But this one's like, if you look here on the side, it's a little puffy. Or just like, it's just not as tight. So interesting. When you get some wear into them, I'm just curious like how much this would bubble up due to like the flexing in the toe box, you know? Like if you look right here, if I just keep bending right here, you may get a little bubble action right here based on what the material is. This one's just looser and just not as tightly woven. So something I just noticed last minute. But again, thanks for watching.